this particular question goes like this. Look at the following table showing number of kids preferring different cartoon characters and answer the related questions below. So there is a table over here. In such type of questions, there are tables and there will be certain figures drawn over them. So you can see that these are the smileys. The Spider-Man has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 smileys. Superman has, so this has got 8 smileys. Let me write that down, 8 smileys. Superman has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has got 7 smileys. The Batman has got 3 smileys. Iron Man has got 1, 2, 3, 4 smileys. And Ultraman, I think this is the favorite of all the kids nowadays. So Ultraman has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has got 10 smileys. Now these smileys represents the number of kids preferring these particular cartoon characters, namely Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, Iron Man, and Ultraman. Now please again look into the third row. This is the first row, this is second row, and this is the third row. Here a very important line is there which many students miss during exam. This says each smiley represents 12 kids. So each smiley represents 12 kids. Now the thing is that if each smiley represents 12 kids, then let me write down Spider-Man is liked by how many kids? 8. No, wrong. It's not liked by 8 kids. Because you see there are 8 number smileys, but each smiley represents 12 kids. So if one smiley represents 12 kids, then 8 smiley will represent 8 times 12 kids. So Spider-Man is liked by 8 times 12 kids, and 8 12s are, I hope you have memorized the multiplication table by now. 12 8s are 96. Similarly, Superman, the trick in this particular question, there will be many questions related to these figures, these table. So first of all, calculate the number of kids or whatever is asked in the question and write those down on your rough sheet. So Spider-Man is similarly liked by 7 smileys, and 7 smileys multiplied by 12 kids means 12 sevens are 84. So Superman is liked by 84 kids. Similarly, Batman is liked by 3 multiplied by 12. 12 3s are 36. Now Iron Man, here it's 4 smileys, is liked by 4 smileys multiplied by 12, which is equal to 48 kids. Iron Man. Then Ultraman is represented by 10 smileys, and each smiley represents 12. So 10 into 12 is 120. So we have what we have done. We have calculated the number of students, the number of kids liking each of the cartoon characters. Now let us move on to the question. How many fewer kids like Iron Man than Spider-Man? That means you have to find out the difference between the kids liking Iron Man and Spider-Man. You see, in these questions I have not given any options, but in your exam, Olympiads or other competitive exam, you will get options. So how many fewer kids like Iron Man than Spider-Man? So number of kids liking Iron Man is 48. So here I solve question number 1. Spider-Man is liked by 96 kids and Iron Man is liked by 48 kids. So it's how many fewer kids like. So you have to find out the difference. How many fewer kids? It's 96 minus 48. You carry out the difference, you will get 48. So question number 1's answer is 48 kids. So 48 kids, 48 fewer kids like Iron Man than Spider-Man. 96 is the number of kids liking Spider-Man, and 48 is number of kids liking Iron Man. So next, solve the second question. Second question says which cartoon character is liked the most and how many kids like it. So you can see over here that which cartoon character is liked the most. You can count the number of kids And from here you can see that Ultraman is the most liked character by the kids. So it has got 120. So the answer to this question is Ultraman, and the number of kids liking that is 120. Question number 3 is similar to question number 2, which goes like this: which cartoon character is liked the least, and how many kids like it? Least means which is not preferred, which is least preferred by the kids, and the number of kids liking the least is Batman. Just visually see that Batman has got only 3 smileys, or you can see from our calculation that Batman has got 36 kids liking it, which is the least of all these numbers: 96, 84, 36, 48 and 120. So this is the least number over here, and that is 36. So answer to the question number 3 is Batman. The number of kids liking it is only 36. Coming to question number 4, which is asking you what is the difference between the counts of question number 2 and question number 3. So now you have to find out the difference between the kids liking the most preferable character, that is Ultraman, and the least preferable character, that is the Batman. So to find out the difference between 120 and 36, calculate this and you will get the answer. So 10 minus 6 is 4. You have carried 1 from the tens place, it becomes 1. 11 minus 3 is, I think it's 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Yes, it's 84. So 84 more kids like Ultraman than Batman. So the answer is 84 to question number 4. So this is a very common type of question being asked in competitive exams. So you practice such question as much as possible. The trick here is to find out the number of kids, people, or whatever is asked in the question by multiplying the number of figures, which is a smiley over here, by the number of that particular element to the number each one represents. I hope you are getting my point. So first of all, you make a table, calculate the gross amount for each of the element, and from those calculations, you can answer these questions, whatever is the question, very easily. Such questions require practice, and if you practice, you are in a better position. And for such question, please remember one thing: please never miss this row. Each figure represents so many elements. Please remember this point, which is very important. Thank you.
If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.